Introducing the Learning JavaScript course. JavaScript is a versatile programming language for beginners or those new to programming. JavaScript has a simple syntax and is easy to read, making it a great language for first-timers to learn. JavaScript is used in web development, data science, machine language, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. JavaScript is open source, can be used by beginners, intermediate, and experienced programmers. Important topics covered will be basic JavaScript syntax, variables, string formatting, loops, arrays, functions, and objects. Once the web version is purchased, you simply go to paid content. I'll go to my account here to show you what it looks like. So what you do is you go to paid content, you go here for the sub menu, or you can use the main menu to go to paid content, or just click paid content here. Then you pick the course you want, or the paid content, which in this case it's the JavaScript course. We go here, and then you can use the table of contents to jump around, or you can use the navigation at the bottom. For example, the next page will be the about page. I can click there and go to the about page. You can go to the getting started, which is chapter 1. You can go to the history, and then we can go to the syntax. Now, syntax here, you have several options. You see, we have the IDE, web IDE, and you can have the output in different options. For example, if I type alert, hello world, and I click compile, it comes up here in your a dialog. Or a better option is just to console.log and watch what happens now. See, it comes down here in the output. So this is much better. You don't need to open up any special IDE or install JavaScript locally. Everything is here in your web browser. And once you finish the course, right at the end of the course, you see here you have the certificate. You can print out yourself. Just type in your name and automatically it will print out the certificate for you. The course also automatically remembers what page you left off. So next time you come back, you can start on that page. So once again, you can get the Learning JavaScript course at ojamboshop.com, and you can use promo code SCHOOL to get 20% off until the end of 2024.